Good morning, everyone. This is Linda, and today is Meatless Monday. It's Meatless Monday. So, today I'm going to harvest some of this walking stick kale. Yeah. Now, I have a couple of plants in different places, but I'm definitely going to harvest from these two plants and this one. There's two in 117, and there's another one, two here in this 17 container. So, let me get some of these leaves. They're really big and really pretty. Yeah. They're really nice. So let's get 8 leaves out of here. Whoa, come here, baby. Whoa, that's nice. All right, guys, let me put you down for a minute, okay? So this is my harvest of what I did off of, this is 3 plants I harvested from. And I came out here without my basket, y'all, but I'm gonna bring it in. And I took the head off 2 of my Brussels sprouts. I'll share what they look like now. So this is one. I took the head off here, and I took some of her leaves, and that's the way she looked. This one, I took the head off here. I've been taking some of her leaves off. As you see, she is Brussels sprouting, baby. Yeah, she's getting it. So I've taken her heads off. So they're good, real good. So this is some of the side shoots from my broccoli, and so let me get this. I'm definitely gonna get some of these leaves. Yeah, baby. Let's see what else we got. There's a small one. I'll take you. This is what I harvest for my stir fry I'm gonna do today. Before I go to a funeral. Yeah. But anyway, it's a part of it. But I'm going to eat first. I'm going to eat. So this is Monday afternoon. So you look at these plants. This is broccoli. So what is broccoli saying to me? They're saying they're thirsty. They're thirsty. They want water. Their heads are down. Yeah, so I'm going to give them some water. This is their daily water. And they'll be fine in about an hour. They'll look totally different. They just want water. She's good, though. She's like, whatever. Whatever. All right, guys, let me finish this. Family, I want to get some onions for my meal because I forgot it. But I'm going to get at least 4 onions or garlic. Either one I grab, it's fine. So I'm gonna take y'all. Come on. Oh, okay. Let's see. I want some big, oh, they over there, some big ones over here. I'm gonna need that. Maybe I get a couple of these Brussels. Let's get a couple of them for this stir fry I got going on here today. Just a few. I think I dropped one right there. All right, let's get this onion. Yeah, baby. Oh, that's a nice one. So I'm gonna get this. All right, that's it. Ooh. Yeah, this is a guava right here. We're gonna take this and put her back over there, but this time we're gonna put her in the ground. I want to bury her right there. That's where I want her to live.
Okay.
What you think?
What about that in a brick?
I want that to stay. We're just gonna push it over, but you know she is deep in that ground.
She's in the ground.
She's in the ground. I know.
How
Well,
we gonna move it over?
we're gonna have to pull her up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and this here, I think it's a avocado. I'm gonna see. Wait a minute.
Purple?
No, that big leaf. That purple is just some grass. It's, you know, yeah, it's not. It's. I mean, it's a flower. I done forgot it's some kind of man in a boat or something. This one here, this is an avocado. So I'm gonna see, can I dig her up? Even if you rough with her, she's gonna come back. Okay. But I want to get her up first, Ben, before you do that. You think?
Yeah, well, gotta be moved, huh?
I mean, the one that I want to keep.
The avocado?
Yeah. You think she gonna be all right there? But I'm going to show the roots of this tree is out here. Well, let's go ahead and see. Could you move that? Go ahead. What you need? So this is a part of the entry to the garden, and Ben is going to take this little patch of sugar cane up. That's going to be tough, Ben.
Oh, yeah. She's gonna come up. I'm gonna get her up.
You gonna get her up, man? So I had this guava tree over here at one point, and she loved it, but she's in a pot, and I don't want her to be in a pot. I want her to be in the ground. So that's what we gonna do today. We're gonna put her in the ground. And I have another tree, my papaya. I want to. Oh my God! Look at this here, yo! I didn't know what that was running over here. That's their little dog got on this.
Got that mask on.
Yeah. All he do is bark all day. He looked strange running over here. Oh my. He can't do nothing. Right? But anyway, y'all, I'll be back when Ben get the hole. Get the sugar cane out the hole. Alright, family, so this is me. I'm taking the blossoms off of my plantain plants. Yeah, I'm taking them all down. Well, I'm trying to take them down, and the bees are trying to fight me. Yeah. So I've taken down 5 because I have 6 growing plantains in the garden this fall season. Now, last spring of 22, I harvested 5 racks of plantains. And this year, yeah, baby, we got a little land yet because I'm harvesting 6. I have 6 plantain racks for this 2022 fall season. That is amazing, family. I am just blown away by it. But as I have expressed to many people, they wonder what I was doing to my plantains. What am I doing to them to make them grow? I'm not doing anything to make them grow. Not one thing am I doing. So bananas and plantains, they do not have a growing season. they will produce plantains or bananas when the weather is right, and that's period. So if your weather is right for them to produce a rack, they will, and if it's not, they won't. So there is no season. I live here in zone 9, of course. It's subtropical, and this is why my plantains are just fruiting away. We gotta wait, because yeah, it's a lot of bees up there, and nope, I'm not gonna get bit. Oh, there's a lot of them in there. Yeah, they in there. Damn. Nope. We ain't gonna get it right now. So here is the 5 that I have. I've taken them off. And boom. So in the spring, I harvest 5. But we got a little lanyard, baby. We got a little lanyard. There she is right there. So this is the biggest plantain plant in my garden. And yeah, baby. But we gonna get her later. We'll let the bees do their thing, right? Yeah.
She's gonna go this way.
She gonna go what way?
She was rocking.
I don't think she gonna fall that way. See, could you put the shovel behind her and push it that way? Yeah. She's sticky.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's very thorny. You want some gloves? Oh, Ben, you bleeding? Okay. I'm gonna harvest one of these cauliflowers for dinner tonight. This one is beautiful. And what I do, I kind of look at them, and then when they start to separating, this is when I want to get her. So come on in, baby. It's your time. Let's see. This one here is just now beginning to get really purple. She's going to be really big. She even got the look of a Romanesco with the points, you know. But, so let's look at this one. She's pretty good. She looks good for harvesting, right? This one looks good for harvesting. This one looked way good for harvesting. So we're going to do this one. Let me cut her. I'll be back.